The sashimi seto. Here it is. Here's my little guy. Oh my god. Oh yeah, you can see like little like silvery glittery bits. No. Hey Kiwi in Japan gang, it's Laurie here. Today I'm off to the Square Enix Cafe in Osaka. They have recently changed their theme to Final Fantasy VII Remake. There's going to be drinks and food all themed like Final Fantasy VII. Final Fantasy VII is such an iconic game. I'm really excited. I'm going there with Cherry and Jessica. Without further ado, let's go! Alright, we've arrived at the station. I'm very excited. It's literally upstairs as well in the station. We believe it is somewhere in this building. Very excited. Oh, is it here? Oh, Square Enix Cafe. This is it. Yeah, I saw Square Enix Cafe on the inside. Look, there's the characters. There's all the stuff you can get.
Oh, there's even the grand menu.
All of the drinks. And the meals. The meals have only become available about two or 3 days ago. Maybe it opens at 12:30 or something. Maybe they just have no one's here for Corona.
Maybe.
Got availability over here, so I think we might be good. I mean, there's literally no one there. The Moogle dessert looks so cute, and the drinks as well. Crowdo, Sephiroth Corona. We can hook ourselves up with the virus right here. And they've even got like a little takeout window. If you wanted to get like takeaway, coasters. That's what you get when you order a drink. Takeout. So you saw some of the delicious drinks they have on offer at the Final Fantasy Cafe. Well, Jessica is not going to get one. You get publicly runs away. Even though the place was completely empty, we've been given this reservation ticket to come back in 45 minutes. We can get our appetites in check, ready to have a feast. Gongcha in Japan is crazy busy, but this one obscure one on the 4th floor of a mall is always empty. We always come here. Oh, okay. So making a reservation there was a reason for that. Now we've got a bit of a line. But still, the inside is looking pretty sparse. Oh well, I'm very excited. Food looks really good. I think I'm going to get either the Cloud or Sephiroth Drink, depending on which one Cherry gets. One of the sets. These two, the sashimi or the yakiniku set. And maybe the Moogle anpan. Sweet bun. Oh my god, I've already been abandoned.
And you have Cloud like dressed up and it's cold.
Oh my god, I'm looking forward to the club. But guys, I can't even play the game because my PlayStation's in New Zealand. We are here and I'm excited. Yeah! We're gonna get, I don't know what these are. I saw a microphone earlier as well. I wonder if they're gonna like announce things. So we've been given this tablet where we can order our food from at the end. Wait. Oh yes.
Yes.
90 minutes, it's plenty of time.
Yeah, this is for you. Cool. Yeah, there you go.
Kakoi. One Cloud, one Sephiroth.
Oh
yeah! With the drinks, we also get coasters. I don't know if they're mystery coasters or if we'll get the specific coaster of the character. Probably mystery, right? Let's get the virus. There it is. Oh, we order? I want that sashimi set.
Sashimi?
Yeah.
I want the grand menu. The pizza. Sorry, did you want the nacho?
No.
No nachos? Yeah, because the nachos are just chips. Okay, sorry, I'm taking forever.
I'm so excited. Whew, racking up quite the bill there, guys. Yikes.
Yep, and I've only got one thing on this.
Yeah, it's us.
It's all you two.
Yeah.
I'll get it, yeah.
Yep, order. Sick. Yes! The straw as well, the Sephiroth Drink. Oh my goodness. And we got our coasters as well. What's it gonna be? Do you want to open yours?
Sure. It's like quite...
Oh, the lemon dripped.
Get it out. Oh.
Oh no! It's Barrett! He's very different in the remake, I feel. Like he's much more like stern and serious. I almost traded with you as well. Yay, that's cool. I got my boy. Matches the drink. Got like little jelly bits at the bottom. You just ripped off the biscuit. Very pineapple. And all the jelly. I think all the jelly's gone. I think I just drunk all of it in one go. That's really flavoursome. Thank you, Cloud, for your delicious drink. What?
I thought it wasn't recording, so I pressed the thing, so I missed your reaction.
Oh,
I'm so
no.
sorry. Do you want to try again?
Okay, yeah. No, it's gone. It's too late.
I'm so sorry. I didn't.
Oh yeah, you can see like little like silvery glittery bits. Yeah. The Octopath Traveler drink had like gold bits in it as well. That's such a cool colour for the drink now, for Sephiroth. Are you recording? Okay.
Yep.
Here we go. I'm gonna eat the wafer with a little bit of cream as well. Oh. The Buster Blade. Yep, that is a wafer. That's good. All right.
Anyone want to trade with me?
Anyone at all. That looks like the absolute perfect fried egg. The color as well. The cheese and the herbs. And Barrett.
Me too.
Pizza.
Like, yeah, no, I think she
Oh yes.
I'm sure
Margarita
free
pizza.
salad, as in free.
Right. Sharing plates.
This is.
The basil. The basil's so fresh. The cheese is really quite good as well, actually. That is a pizza. I will take a sashimi seto. Here it is. From the wall market in the slums. This is it. Oh man. I don't regret this purchase at all. And a miso. Cute. I get this little card. Okay, let's dig in. My sashimi sandwich. The texture's really good. It's like crispy on the outside and then like raw, gooey on the inside. I don't want it to end. It's amazing. I just ate the wasabi. My eyes are tearing up. It's the spice. It's very spicy wasabi. I'm just gonna eat it just for the video. That's that's the best wasabi I've ever eaten. Yep. I want that. The Moogle Ampan, yeah.
I want this.
Cool, the Moogle parfait. Yeah, send it through, yeah. Cherry's dessert arrived. It's a cute Moogle. Wow.
I think there's an actual cherry on top.
A cherry for Cherry. And kiwi fruit for me in Japan. Cherry's given me her kiwi fruit, and here's my little guy. Oh my god! You can see the little face like actually just like plastered onto him. It's so cute. We've got a kiwi Moogle in Japan. Amazing. No! Oh my god.
Oh, it's like a cake.
No. Poor guy. Sorry.
Delicious.
It's oishi. Oh no. Okay, we got placemats. I've already seen one of them. I got Barrett. Got Barrett, our boy Barrett, continuing the legacy. What did you get? Oh, that's a cool one. Wow, that's nice. And oh, the other cloud. Okay. Cloud and cloud. Great job. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Kiwi in Japan episode of Final Fantasy VII Cafe. I'm really excited for the game. Food was delicious. That's Kiwi, alright. Check out my other videos. I've got some anime stuff and also just going around Japan traveling too. So subscribe, leave me a comment. I read all the comments. And thank you for watching. See you next time.